Bitcoin is down this year, about 30% off its highs, and price is sitting in a critical decision zone. From the October peak near 125,000 to the November low, we saw a 36% correction. Where we are now? Still around a 30% pullback. Let's be honest, this is not how most investors expected the year to end, especially when you look at traditional markets. Gold is up, silver is up, stocks are up. But Bitcoin underperformed everything in 2025. That's the reality. Now, zoom out. The long-term trend is still up. That hasn't changed. What has changed is a trend line that held since 2022, and that trend is now broken. Because of that, we could see some more downside in the short term, possibly into Q1 2026. Not guaranteed, and it doesn't need to exceed the previous 36% correction, but it's a risk you need to respect. That said, whether this is the exact bottom or not, this zone clearly represents a strong, long-term buy-the-dip opportunity. We've seen this before, in 2024, in April, every time similar signals appeared. Bitcoin today feels a lot like 20,000 back in 2017 to 2018. People thought it was unbreakable. It wasn't. The way people talk about 125,000 today is exactly how they talked about 20,000 back then. Patience matters. Bitcoin is digital gold. Over 95% of people still don't own any. Most of the supply is already mined. The population keeps growing, and the world gets more digital every year. It's hard to imagine Bitcoin staying below six figures forever. Ethereum is also building a strong base. It may not move tomorrow or next month, but when it moves, it usually moves big. Volatility is compressing too. Instead of 80% crashes, we're seeing controlled 30 to 40% corrections. That builds a stronger floor under price. Fiat currencies keep losing value. They can print more money, but they can't print more Bitcoin. Institutions see this. Major players are positioning. So yes, short-term can be uncomfortable, but long-term, the opportunity hasn't disappeared. It's improved. I'm buying this dip. 2026 could be a massive year for crypto. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay subscribed.